Hello guys, this is me, Wating of London. The bus is on diversion, so walking lang. O diba, naghuhumiyaw ang araw. Hi, I'm Janet. Morning pa lang, wala pang 10 o'clock. Naglalapot na. Ayan. There you go. Diba? Ang init. Hindi ko alam kung ilang degrees na ngayon. Pero mapanakit ang init. Hindi lang yung puso ang sinasaktan. Pati din balat. Ganyan. Okay? Walang abide the rules. Sorry naman dyan. Ay kung maghintay. Oh, diba? Hindi lang si Wating ang nagwo-walking. Marami din. Mga kids. Siguro po sila sa oh, Mia, pupunta ang mga kids sa park or library.
In your city,
you guys are going to the same school. No, you don't come there! I don't know. I don't know if she's going to.
Why? Diba?
There's always one level you could have beat.
yeah, no, it's quite hard.
Especially like Roblox.
I think it's better to cross. There you go. Ay, hinihingal na ako. Iba na talaga yung era ni Wating, the unforgotten generation. Hindi na ako makakalaban sa mga Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, ganon. Hindi po ako lalaban. Diba? Grabe, mainit na naman. Kahapon, okay lang. My kind of day na ulan. Mas prefer ko umuulan. Samantalang majority dito gusto nila yung ganitong weather. Ay nako. Okay lang na balutin ko ang sarili ko. Kahit inang patong pa yan. Basta malamig. Ayoko nang mainit. Ayoko nang masikip. Ayoko nang putik. Ganon. Diba? What time is it? It's 9:30. Let's see. Is it up there? Oh, is it? Okay, dito tayo. There you go. What's that? Okay. Morning. Oh, mayroong bagong book si David Walliams. The World's Worst Heroes, Superheroes. Okay. Wag kayo. Huh? Wag kayo, alright? Pati books. And this is a beautiful library. Okay, syempre, quiet tayo. We're not allowed na magkuhumiyang. Alright. Okay. And this is free, guys. When you go any libraries around London, I must say, okay. Basta member ka, free. Free ang internet. Free ang food. Charot. Charot lang yan. Kaya maniniwala sa kuda ko. Charot lang. Hindi free yun. Magdala kayo. Okay? Ayan lang. Yan ang library. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns of books, and then they have a quiet room here. See, you should go there kung ayaw mo magulo ng buhay mo. They have a quiet room. Yeah, pero hindi ako pwede dito, maingay ako. Yeah, they have a quiet room, and they have their own toilet, you know. For mommies or nanny, mayroon toilet and baby change. Look at that. So, ayan. Tapos, sa isang side, nandoon yung children's library, okay? And you can borrow books. You can borrow books. Basta member ka lang. Okay. There you go. Dito ako lagi nakasit. Okay. Diyan lagi ako nakasit. Okay. And then, ito na, palabas na. Kasi hindi pwede si Wati, natahimik lang. Kailangan mag-iingay. Sa kadaldalan ko kanina, nawala yung oyster ko. 1 week pa naman yun. Nagtap up ako for 1 week and that's it. Finito, kapot. Dito muna ako kasi I'm a bit early today. Kasi nga nag-walk ako, diba? I still have 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Mas prefer ko dito kasi malamig. See, look at the trees. Alam mo yan? Diba? Siguro ano na ito si Lolo tree. Centuries. Ayan. Or centennial na. Hindi sila masyadong nagpuputol ng mga trees here. Hindi katulad dyan sa Pilipinas. Diba? Mga chuba-chuba dyan. Wala na kayo kaya binabaha, diba? So wala na kayong mga puno, trees. Gawa nilang business, isn't it? Anyway. Alright guys. Alam mo na ako talaga yung aking oyster. Wala na. I can't find it anywhere. Kasi sumakay ako ng bus kanina. Nang i-try kong itap off. Nothing. Na-find out ko na lang pala na empty ang aking oyster card. Ayan. O, diba? It's 9:45, 44. At ang init-init na sa ng Justice. Okay. Ngayon lang. Okay, I have a few minutes. And then, that's it. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share. Huwag yun ang share. Basta likes lang. Okay? Like and subscribe. See you around.